silencing the accuser.
Okay. So, as mentioned above, Hashem acts towards the Jewish people in the way that we act towards one another. So basically, midah kineged midah. So thus, if Jews live in peace and harmony,
midah kineged midah between us and Hashem to us. Between us and other people and Hashem to us.
Hashem to us, right? So
it's like a triangle.
In harmony with one. Right. So, but obviously, it's not like what we do to. It's like what we do to other people. That's how Hashem treats us in a way.
Yes.
Right. Like how we are towards people, then Hashem will make it like that for us. So if Jews live in peace and harmony with one another, then in heaven, Satan is not able to indict them. That means that there won't be anybody prosecuting against us and complaining against us. So Hashem has implemented in Satan's nature an inability to indict his beloved nation in any way under such conditions. Midrash Hasharim states that this applies even when the Jewish people are guilty of the worst sins, such as idol worship. Thus it is written, bound to one another in peace, but attached to idol worship is Ephraim. Let him be. Wow, that's interesting. So basically, as long as we're good to each other, Hashem is not going to indict us on like other worse sins. Interesting. At least not in this world, right? But in the next world, it's another.